Let's talk about use tax. Use tax applies when a business or even an individual buys taxable goods or services without paying sales tax and then uses, stores, or consumes those goods in a state where sales tax would normally apply. Most common examples are goods are purchased from an out-of-state seller who didn't charge sales tax, such as an online retailer or an out-of-state vendor. When items are brought into the state for use, even when they were originally purchased elsewhere, so they were purchased in state A, where you paid sales tax, and you brought them into state B, which is where you're now using them. State B wants a piece of the pie. When a business pulls items out of inventory that were originally purchased for resale, so they didn't pay any sales tax on these items, but then they use them for the business. So they're making a final use of the item and not reselling them. And in this case, the business needs to pay sales tax. Now, imagine a nail salon located in New Jersey orders $100,000 worth of pedicure chairs from a vendor in Oregon. The Oregon seller is not registered to collect sales tax in New Jersey because they don't have an obligation to be registered. They do not collect sales tax on this sale of these pedicure chairs to the New Jersey nail salon. Now, New Jersey considers these chairs taxable, and since the nail salon is using them in New Jersey, the state expects to collect sales tax on that use. Now, because no New Jersey sales tax was collected, the nail salon owes this use tax to New Jersey, and the use tax rate is the same as if the pedicure chairs were purchased locally in New Jersey. And the nail salon needs to self-assess that tax that they owe and remit it to the state in order to stay compliant. Now, if the nail salon does not do this, actually the better word to use is when they are audited, this underpayment will be discovered and they'll be responsible for the sales tax along with penalties and interest, which can get very expensive. Depending on the state law, penalties could be around 25% and interest could be around 10%. So the important takeaway here is if you owe sales tax on something, make sure you remit it so you don't have to deal with any surprises or extra expenses above and beyond the actual sales tax you would have owed later down the road. And I know this is easier said than done, especially in larger and more complex businesses, along with businesses who are managing multiple locations of usage. And staying compliant can sometimes be a struggle, but hopefully this knowledge helps your business stay ahead of any issues you might encounter.